Just at B&M in Wigan, hunting down Hot Wheels. Let's go in, let's see what they've got. I'll see you in there. Right, well, surprisingly, this B&M actually has some full pegs and at a price of £1.69. That is not a bad price for Hot Wheels in the UK. We are looking for around £1.50, and I think Asda are doing the cheapest ones at around £1.30 at the moment on a rollback price. But yeah, anyway, great price. Let's get started, guys. First up, we've got the Honda Motor Compo, which does look quite modern because it's new for 2025, but this is actually based on a 1980s electric scooter that Honda made that you can fold up and put in the back of your car. It's supposed to be for like short trips around the city, but yeah, very cool casting, very unique. From that 2025 Hot Wheels motor set, I do have this one already, so let's pop this over here. And next, we've actually got the McLaren Speedtail, which is a great casting and can be found as a super treasure hunt. This one isn't. This is just your standard mainline. It doesn't have the Spectraflame paint, no TH symbol, no rubber wheels, and no golden stamp on the back of the card. Those would indicate that it's a super. But yeah, just the normal variant here. Very clean in that candy apple red. I think the soup's paint is Spectraflame orange, so yeah, a bit of a difference between this and the soup. Great casting from that Hot Wheels exotic set, which I am collecting that whole set, so I'll definitely be taking this. And let's keep going. Oh, nice. It's the Ferrari SF90 Stradale. I'm always happy to see Ferraris on the pegs, especially because it's been 10 years since Hot Wheels had the license to make Ferraris. So yeah, these first mainline ones are very, very special. You can see it's brand new for 2025, and they do put the Ferrari badge on the card as well, which is great. It's from the factory fresh set of this year, and that set is full of cars that don't have any decals, no distractions, just completely fresh and clean. Although it does have the Ferrari badge over the wheel arch and on the front there as well. Some great detailing, great tooling, really cool car. I do have this already, but I want to take one to open, so I'll definitely be grabbing this one. And just behind the Ferrari, it's a treasure hunt. No way. It's the Chevrolet treasure hunt. You can tell it's a treasure hunt from that little flame symbol on the back there, but also it should have that silver flame stamp on the back of the card there, which indicates it's a little bit rarer than your mainline Hot Wheels. In cases, you get tons of these mainline, but there's only a chance to find one of these in a case, and some cases don't even have a treasure hunt in them. It can just be all mainline. They're not as rare and as valuable as super treasure hunts because they're just gold dust. The odds of finding them are ridiculously small, but treasure hunts are still very sought after in the collector community, especially ones that are good. This model was actually from 2008 and was part of a designer's challenge, so it is an older casting, but I don't think it's been a treasure hunt before. It's really flat. I bet it's quite fast on the track, and it is from that Track Aces set, which is a 5 set of cars which are like track ready cars, and you can see by the symbol it does have the F1 cars in that set. So yeah, I'm definitely going to be taking this one because I want to get that full set, and it's a treasure hunt as well. So yeah, let's pop that over here. Let's keep going. Oh nice, it's the 1962 Corvette Gasser. Now on my last hunt I did actually find the super treasure hunt version of this, and it was my second super treasure hunt that I've ever found in the 3 years that I've been collecting Hot Wheels. So yeah, that was a great find. I do really like the non-super treasure hunt version of this car anyway. I think it looks fantastic with that pale matte grey, and the decals really pop. But yeah, I was so over the moon to find a super again. My God, really awesome casting. I'll probably not take this one because I'm happy with the super, although it is on a long card and I wouldn't mind finding one on a short card, but that's probably a little bit too much to ask, isn't it? Anyway, very cool casting. I'll pop it up here. What else have we got? We've got the Maserati Shamal in that black on black. Looks really good. I do have this one already. Great casting. Oh, nice. It's that 71 Lamborghini Miura SV. Look at this thing, guys. This is one of the best looking castings out there, isn't it? It's from that 70s versus 90s set. And this colour variant definitely has to be the best, doesn't it? It's black on gold with gold wheels as well. Look at that. Beautiful. With loads of detailing on the back of this thing and on the front as well. Yeah. Definitely a casting to take this. I do have one of these already, but I'll take this one to open it up. Would love to see that out of the packaging. We've got a Loopster, and nice, an Audi 90 Quattro, which could be found as a super treasure hunt last year in that Spectra Flame blue. But this year we've got it in this silver with orange, black and white detailing. Hot Wheels always do Audis justice, don't they? Very good looking casting from that Peak Pursuit set. I don't know what's in that set. Have I found something else in there? Probably have. Anyway, great casting. I do have the other colour variants of this, so I'll leave this one here. Let's keep going. Oh, nice. It's the Mercedes-AMG Petronas Formula 1 team car. And these F1 cars are so rare at the moment. I've not seen a lot of collectors getting their hands on them, and they have been asking for them as well. But yeah, great casting, loads of detail. You can see that Petronas livery on the nose there. I love that they've got the helmet and a guy inside of these things as well. You've got the Formula 1 badge on the card, and it's brand new for 2025. I've never seen any other variant. The Red Bull, the Williams, I've only ever seen this one, so maybe I need to be supporting the Mercedes in Formula 1, I don't know. Formula 1, just like Ferrari, have collaborated for the first time in a long time with Hot Wheels this year, and that's got to be why these things are so rare right now. But yeah, to see this in B&M, B&M's been terrible for Hot Wheels recently. Well, every B&M that I've been to other than this. I wonder if this is a sign that B&M's are restocking Hot Wheels. Let me know in the comments if your B&M's restocked or still got all the old stuff in. Anyway, very happy to find this. What a casting, what a car. Gonna pop this up here. Let's keep going. Really cool Gordon Murray Automotive T50S. I've seen this one a few times, but this mint blue is just great, isn't it? What a colour, guys. That's also from the Hot Wheels Exotic set. That here. Oh, this is a great casting. It's the custom 2018 Ford Mustang GT. It's got some great detailing and decals on this one. I do like that metal spoiler on the back as well. Yeah, this thing looks great, doesn't it? Ford badge on the front there, and 60 as well. That's to represent that this is part of that Mustang 60th anniversary set. It's a shame that they don't all have that 60th anniversary badge on the top of the card, but I'm just being picky because I like to keep most of my collection on card. Now, I forgot if I've actually got this in my collection or not. And something else that I do tend to forget and leave around, you know, guys, is my wallet. So I've started using this, the Ekster Aluminum Cardholder. It's super slim, made from space grade aluminium, and ideal for when I'm out hunting because it fits in my pocket really nicely. It's got this pop-up trigger for instant card access, and the whole thing is RFID protected. And on the back here, you can see Ekster's solar-powered tracker card. And yeah, I did say solar-powered. You just put this thing out in the sun for 3 hours and it lasts months. And it makes it so you can track your wallet from your phone. So yeah, what do you think, guys? A really good quality card holder and tracker. Plus they're on sale at the moment, and if you use my code, the Wheel Collector, you can get up to 42% off on the website. I've popped the links in the description of this video. Thanks to Ekster for sending these out. Let's get back to it. Yeah, I'd lose my head if it wasn't screwed on, guys. So yeah, I can't remember if I've got this one or not, so I'll pop it over here and I'll check my list after we've done this hunt. And let's keep going. We've got the Cruise Bruiser in yellow. We've got, oh nice, it's the Little Raw. I'm glad to see this one again, because what I've not mentioned before is this is actually a souped up Mini. And you might think it's just a fantasy, not a Mini at all, you know, like made to look like one. But it does have the Mini logo right there on the back. So it does confirm this is a souped up Mini. Very cool casting. I do like this a lot. It's got some spare tyres in the back there, nice big exhaust sticking out, huge mud splattered tyres inside from that Safari mode set of 2025. Great casting. Really do like this one. I might actually take this. I'll pop it up here because I've not got it already. Let's keep going. Oh, the 75 Chevy Blazer Custom. It's funny, but I had to talk about this one because it's from the film Jaws, or it's well known for being in that film. And Hot Wheels are actually bringing out a limited edition Jaws package on the Mattel Creations website. So yeah, I think that's out at the end of the month. So this would make a great pairing with that set, wouldn't it? This one's a little bit cracked, but yeah, thought I'd tell you about that, guys. Very cool casting. I do have this one already, so pop this back. Let's keep going. We've got the Volkswagen T3 Custom in a really, really good colorway with some great decals on it. It's deceptively aerodynamic, this thing, with that massive gap in the back. It's like a huge spoiler, the back end of it. But yeah, very cool colors, cool decals, great car. From that Peak Pursuit set as well, I might actually take this one. I like this variant a lot more than the brown variant from last year. So pop this up here. What else have we got? Oh, we've got the 68 Lotus Type 49, which was released last year, but a lot of collectors are actually after this one because it's the gold Leaf Team livery on this. So yeah, quite a special colorway, and it's from that 2025 Race Day set, which I'm definitely collecting that full set. So I'll pop this to one side. Let's keep going. I always find these speed drivers to be a good one because they've got the Allen key and spanner on the back there as well. They're actually a tool. Complete plastic body, but metal underneath, so it can work as an actual tool. The Experimotors set is great because it's filled with weird and wonderful castings that can do loads of different jobs. So yeah, very cool. I do like this one. I do have an old one of these, but yeah, always cool to see them. Let's keep going. Right, well, it's the last peg, guys. I wonder if we'll get some last peg magic. Let's have a look through. We've got the 2015 Land Rover Defender Double Cab, great casting. The 70 Plymouth Barracuda. We've got a Diora 3, which I would say is probably a peg warmer at the moment. Look at this. Yeah, there's loads of them about, guys. But yeah, we've got a VW T3 Custom. We've got the 92 Ford Mustang. We've got a small block taxi, and last but not least, we've got that 1975 Chevy Blaze Custom from Jaws. Well, we've been through all the pegs here. Let's have a little look and see what we found. Well, I'm actually glad I stopped at this B&M today because I've not been hunting in B&Ms at all. They've not had any updated stock or anything. We found some great castings on this hunt. Is there anything on the pegs you guys would have taken that I've left behind? Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you on the next one. Happy hunting, guys.